Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see how to add your blogger website to Google AdSense. And this is a step-by-step tutorial. So follow up for the maximum and the best result. So now let's jump into it. So this is the blogger dashboard, and so this is my website, and this is a demo website, and this website is a tool where it generates Instagram different types of fonts. So when I hit text, this will design some various types of text designs, and where I can upload this in Instagram, and for the fancy options. And so now I'm gonna add this blog to Google AdSense. In order to add a blog in Google AdSense, let's proceed to the blogger dashboard and click on the sections earnings. And here looks like you have an AdSense account, and it says that getting the blog ready to show ads. So now I'm gonna click on connect AdSense, and it says me that go to AdSense. So now I have clicked the option go to AdSense. So this is another account of mine. So now I'm going to open a new account, and here it says, dear publisher, the AdSense terms and conditions have been updated, please read. So if you want, you can read. So now I'm going to click on yes, I have read and accepted the agreement, and click on continue to AdSense. And this is the AdSense dashboard. So here we can see the sites we have added. So now I'm going to add a site to this, and now I'm going to click on add site, and I'm going to paste this link over here, and I'm going to click on save and continue, and AdSense will say me to connect your site and request review. So now I'm going to go to the home page of the AdSense. So here it shows me request review for this blogspot. So now I'm gonna again head over to the earnings section and refresh this page. So it says me that for some publishers the activation process can take quick as one day, but for some several weeks. So let's click on request review, and that's it. After 2 weeks, or in between 2 weeks, the AdSense will send you an email regarding whether your site is approved for AdSense or not. So here I can see my site will not be approved because I don't have any useful or any good contents here. So this is a demo one, and I have requested review, but my site will not be ready for showing ads. And another important step in the process of adding your blog website to the Google AdSense is copying the ads.txt code to the blogger website. So now I will show you the steps to add the ads.txt file in your blogger. website, and I have switched my account to another blog of mine, and this is the blog, and this is a great blog, and this contains useful contents. It contains useful contents, and so now I'm gonna click on ads, and this is the first step of adding the ads.txt file. So now I'm going to click on get code, and now I'm going to click on code snippet copy. So I'm going to copy the code snippet, and I'm going to proceed to the Blogspot dashboard, and I'm going to click on themes, and I'm going to click on edit HTML, and click tap on the theme edit section, and press Ctrl plus F to find the close header tag. So now I am gonna find close header. As you guys can see, now I have found the close header tag over here. So I need to paste this code between the head and the close head tag, so in HTML view, and now I'm gonna paste it over here. So I can paste it and save and proceed, and that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and technology related ideas. See you in the next one.